This is the first best choice that I've made on a vacation.
It's the best kept secret in the world right now. I don't know how.
I don't think we want to do a big boat cruise anymore. We'd much rather do this. Is just so much better. The ship is superb. It's only 2 years old, and it shows because it's brand new virtually. But it's an easy ship to walk about. Everything is beautifully designed. Everything is perfect. We've had 14 different cruises. We've never done a small boat cruise before, and after doing this cruise, I don't think we want to do a big boat cruise anymore. We'd much rather do this. Is just so much better.
The size of the room is fantastic. Its comfort, the beds are terrific. For a cruise, that's unexpected pleasure. Clean, quiet, air conditioning available if you require. This ship, there's no complaints about any part of this ship.
I've been to other cruises before, but nothing like this. The people are spectacular. The crew is spectacular.
The crew on this ship, and we were telling this to the captain, and I said, I've never seen a crew like this crew for everybody. From the kitchen to the cabin crew to the dining room crew, fantastic.
I'd encourage any Australians thinking about doing this cruise to really give it some serious thought, because it's just the best. This area of the Adriatic is so beautiful.
Oh, it's just something like out of a fairy storybook. I teach literature at school, so to me it's all these wonderful looking towns. It's very, very, very pretty.
Unlike most cruise ships, this allows you the opportunity to go and explore and not always have to eat 3 meals a day on the ship. It's a fantastic concept. Love this concept. That's why we're going to do it again. Economically very viable, great bang for the buck.
It is far and away better than any of the other cruise boats that we've seen around, and it's been a wonderful cruise.
Nhất định như lệ. Okay, that's in Cantonese. Must come. I think for anybody who wants to have a nice, relaxed vacation, this is it. Absolutely recommend this. This is the first best choice that I've made on a vacation.
I travel 200 days a year, so traveling is a part of my life, both for work and for vacationing. And we've done a lot of cruises around the world, in every part of the world. By far the best experience we've ever had is this week's cruise. It's the best kept secret in the world right now. I don't know how people don't know about this and how we didn't know about this. And we're so happy to do it, that we've been here, that we're going to do it again.